Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix MCP server causing prompt is too long error. The prompt is too long error is one of the more common issues you may encounter when using MCP, Model Context Protocol servers with Claude. This happens when an MCP server sends more information than Claude can process within a single request. Large database schemas, lengthy documentation, oversized API responses, or automatically injected prompts can quickly consume the available context window, causing Claude to reject the request before it is processed. Fortunately, this issue can usually be resolved by reducing how much information the MCP server sends to Claude at one time. Most MCP servers provide configuration options that allow you to limit the amount of data returned, and some also let you disable automatic prompt or schema injection entirely. The first step is to open your terminal. Once your terminal is open, run the command that opens your Claude settings file or the MCP configuration file where your server settings are stored. This file contains the configuration options that control how your MCP servers behave when communicating with Claude. After the settings file opens, locate the configuration for the MCP server that is causing the error. The next step is to configure limits for the amount of information the server is allowed to send. Many MCP servers support environment variables or configuration options that allow you to limit the amount of data returned in a single request. Run the appropriate configuration command for your MCP server and set the environment limits according to its documentation. These limits may control things such as maximum number of results returned, maximum response size, number of records fetched, maximum schema size, number of files processed at once, maximum page content retrieved. Reducing these limits prevents the MCP server from overwhelming Claude with unnecessary information. After updating the limits, save your configuration. If reducing the response size does not solve the problem, another effective solution is to disable automatic schema injection or automatic prompt injection. Some specialized MCP servers automatically include large predefined prompts, schemas, documentation, or instructions every time Claude communicates with them. Although these prompts can be useful, they may consume a significant portion of Claude's available context window. Consult the documentation for your specific MCP server and look for configuration options that disable automatic prompt injection or schema injection. If available, turn these features off and save the updated configuration. This allows Claude to receive only the information that is actually needed instead of large amounts of unnecessary context. After making your changes, save the configuration file. Then completely close Claude and reopen it. Restarting Claude forces it to reload the updated MCP configuration and apply the new response limits. Once Claude starts again, try using the MCP server to verify that the prompt is too long error has been resolved. It is important to understand that this error is not always caused by Claude itself. In many cases, the MCP server is simply providing far more information than is necessary for the current task. Common causes of this error include returning an entire database schema, loading large documentation files, retrieving hundreds of records in a single request, automatically injecting lengthy prompts, returning complete project directories instead of selected files, requesting too much information from an external service at once. To summarize, fixing the prompt is too long error begins by opening your terminal and editing your Claude or MCP settings file. Configure your MCP server to limit how much information it returns in each request by setting appropriate environment limits or response size restrictions. If the problem continues, consult your MCP server's documentation and disable automatic schema injection or prompt injection if those features are available. After saving your changes, restart Claude so it reloads the updated configuration. By reducing unnecessary data sent from the MCP server, limiting large responses, and disabling oversized automatic prompts when appropriate, you can prevent Claude's context window from being exceeded. This not only eliminates the prompt is too long error, but also improves performance, reduces unnecessary token usage, and makes your MCP integrations faster, more efficient, and easier to work with during everyday development tasks. And that's how to fix an MCP server causing the prompt is too long error in Claude. By limiting the amount of data your MCP server sends, disabling unnecessary prompt injection, and restarting Claude after updating your configuration, you can eliminate this common issue and keep your MCP integrations running smoothly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.